Malcolm currently has just moved into town from living out of town. They've been, I guess, adapting to new life in town and different consumption patterns that they've had. The high electricity billing prompted the need to have a solar system. Today we installed three 50-watt modules on Malcolm's home, coupled with a good European-built inverter. We installed a 6.55 kilowatt solar system. We spoke to Malcolm at length about the different types of solar system and why quality again is the number one factor. Well, the key factors for the customers is always quality, reliability, backing support. We're in an industry where there's a lot of different products available, but the large majority of those products aren't backed well, or there are significant issues with quality or backing support.